Hi, my name is Collie Ennis and I'm from Trinity College Zoology Department, and I'm here today to talk to you about one of my favourite subjects, which is spider season. Spiders are moving at this time of year because the males are looking for females. These are the guys that you'll see around your house. All year long they've been growing up in their webs from tiny microscopic spiders into these large adults that suddenly seem to appear out of nowhere. But basically they've just been fattening up over the summer, feeding on all sorts of other invertebrates. The males, once they become mature, feel romantic and go looking for females all around the garden and our homes. Now the house spiders that we tend to see at this time of year around our homes are the giant European house spiders, and these are the guys you find in your bathtub, your sink. Strangely enough, for spiders, when they fall into these slippery kind of containers, large containers that we bathe in, they can't make their way out because they're not great climbers, and that's why you come across them so much. They're harmless, as are most of the spiders we have in our home, completely harmless. There is one introduced species called the false widow spider. It's a very shiny looking, rounded abdomen on it. You'll see them in kind of very messy webs. They can be slightly dangerous to people, as in that they'll give you a painful bite and you can get necrosis from it. Nothing fatal, nothing to be absolutely unduly worried about. They are non-aggressive, they tend to run away from you. Most bites occur when a spider gets caught in someone's clothing. So we're very fortunate in Ireland that the species of spider that we do share our home with are not aggressive, not really that venomous, and are doing us a massive favour by clearing out pest species that we don't want around the home, like bluebottles, earwigs and woodlice. These are animals that will spread disease and eat our good furniture. So enjoy spider season. Keep an eye out for our little friends that are walking around. If you do come across one, put a cup over it, slide some paper in it, but out the back door. That's the best solution.